Thank you so much. My name is Meghana Helder. I'm a Mayo Clinic trained cardiac surgeon who's still practicing, and I founded Octin Health and the ELA device out of clinical need. I saw a 74-year-old patient with no known health problems brought in by her family because she was found unresponsive on her kitchen floor. She came in with what we call to be a type A acute aortic dissection. These are incredibly deadly. It's an 80% out-of-hospital mortality. When you make it to the operating room, it's a 25% operative mortality. And even if you make it through that, it's a 10-year survival of 50%. The only way to prevent acute type A aortic dissections is by operating electively on aortic aneurysms. The problem with that is those have a 9% higher operative mortality than any other cardiac surgical operation that we do. And that high risk is what prevents surgeons from doing that elective operation, leading to these dissections. So why is this operation so deadly? And it's because of how we do it. So in order to be able to access the aortic arch in a blood-free space, we have to exsanguinate the patient into the heart-lung machine. You can imagine the physiologic insult that comes from that. So what we do with the ELA device is actually partner with the heart-lung machine, so now that we can perfuse the body and the brain while using endovascular balloons to be able to see what we need to see to replace the aortic arch. What that means for the patient is they're able to get blood flow the entire time, and we cut cardiopulmonary bypass time in half. If there's one thing in cardiac surgery that's been proven time and time again, it's if you reduce cardiopulmonary bypass time, you improve patient lives. And what that means for the hospital is about a $90,000 cost savings per patient, and actually making these procedures profitable, not to include this opportunity for revenue for further operations in those 4 hours that are saved in those hospital beds. And what that means for a market opportunity is instead of the 29,000 patients that are getting this operation currently, 115,000 should be getting that operation, and they'll get it when you de-risk it. We've seen this in cardiac surgery over and over again, more specifically with the advent of TAVR. We're a 510K pathway, which I know seems daunting when you think about such an invasive disease, but we have a technical predicate and a bench testing plan and collaboration with the FDA that allows for this strategy. We have a robust IP patent protection, and we have an incredibly lean and experienced team with between 19 and 35 years of MedTech experience to get us there. So we're asking for a $2.5 million seed round in order to get a 3-year return on investment. These are some of the comparables. Thank you very much.